This is a bit of an unboxing video, and these are some tools that I'm going to be using to organize my art life. And so I thought what better than to do a video highlighting what I'm using. I'm also very excited about this particular brand because it seems to be a common sense sort of brand, and I've been obsessing about them here recently. So what better than an unboxing to show you what I'm doing. So this box is really too big for this table. So I'm just going to take stuff out of here. Okay, so I'm really excited because I ordered some planners from Happy Planner for family and friends, as well as myself, and I'm really excited because this came today, and these are their newest releases, and I'm just super stoked about it. Okay, so we'll just kind of quickly take a look at I ordered here. I am definitely not a planner expert, but maybe I will become one. So I ordered some new planners for 2021, and I'm really excited because I am excited to do some budget planning. That's what this guy is all about. And I'm going to be combining or franken planning some pieces together so I can use these, and it just makes me that more efficient and smart in life, and I can know where I'm supposed to be from moment to moment. This is the new Savvy Saver budget planner. And I'm really excited about this because I would really like to really do some strategic saving, and I think this is going to help me make that happen. This also has the metal rings that are pretty nice. I also got, this is a gift for a friend. This is a journal for recovery, people who are in recovery or sober people, and I thought this might be a really nice birthday gift for one of my friends. And what's cool about these is you can interchange or add these journals, these rings, so you can just keep adding pages into them, and I think this makes a great gift. So this is going to be my new planner. I'm going to be franken planning this bad boy together to include my budget and my exercise and my meetings and all of that together. So this is going to be my main planner. And then I'll be taking portions of this planner, which this planner I'm really excited about because I have fitness as a goal for 2021 to start in 2020. And this booger glue is really working. Well, I'll get that later. So this is a planner that is specifically for recording your fitness journey. Pull this up really quick. And I just have not been making that a priority in my life, and I think it's really important. So I'm really looking forward to doing that with this. And so my camera view is a little short here. Maybe we can make that a little better. But you have your overall monthly planner here, but then you can track your food and what you want to focus on. Maybe you want to meditate or whatever, exercise, and other tidbits for that. And you can kind of have your goals for the beginning of the month, and then you have tabs for each month. So I'm really excited to use this. This was huge for me, so I am really excited about that. And then this is another planner that I plan on using here for social media training, and this is a what they call a dashboard layout. I recommend checking out the website thehappyplanner.com to check out their planners, because what's cool is they have setups for all kinds of different folks and how they plan. And so this is a dashboard layout where you can do all your to-dos and things, and then type in your meetings or punch in your meetings here, and you can really customize it to how you like it, which is, I think, really going to work for me. And this one also has these awesome discs, but they're also like swirly. Let's see if it'll focus in here. It just might not. It might be too close, but you can see they are lovely. So I'm pretty stoked about that. This is kind of half of my business journal stuff. So, and then this is a gift that I got for a family member who is a teacher, and I thought she might really enjoy this planning system because it's kind of modular, and this comes with a planner, and this one is a non-dated planner, so she can start it whenever she wants to. She can start it tomorrow if she got it that quick, and then it has stickers and some stuff to get her started on the Happy Planner road. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It's kind of an addiction. And I got her, as well as myself, one of these punches. So what you can do is you can take a full-size piece of paper and punch it and put it in this big planner. And I think I hope that she likes it and she gets some good use out of that. So they're a great gift for people. And then I got some kind of accessories with this. So this is an expense tracker that kind of goes with the Savvy Saver set, and you can kind of keep track of your expenses and stuff on the go, which I thought was really good for our household as well as my business. And I got some envelopes too. These are also for the Savvy Saver setup, where you can use the envelope system to save money for certain things, which I really am kind of stoked about that too. So that's part of that. And of course, there are stickers that are part of the Savvy Saver, which kind of appeal to my artistic side, because I love stickers. I mean, I make stickers, so it's really cool. And these are all pertaining to budget items for the Savvy Saver. And you can note when you deposit stuff and when you have bills to pay. And you can track your expenses with these little stickers too. So that's fun. And then I got these stickers and cards because they were watercolor themed, and I cannot not kind of do that. I love watercolor, so I thought these might be really fun in my planner. And then this is the fitness side. So these are some fitness stickers. You can track your workouts, or, you know, they can liven up your spreads a little bit for your workout. And anything that's going to get me out there moving a little bit more is always a good thing. And so lastly, I got this planner. This is a planner extension pack. So this is something I can start now and then use. I can use this now, and then when the new year comes around, I have my planner, which I can take off. It can take off from there. And this also comes with some of these folders, these dividers, so you can I can start now and create a month for the workout stuff, and then keep track of what I'm eating and exercising and water intake. It's just kind of an extension or a little boost to get you going. And so I can put that in with my current planner and just get started. I do want to look at these stickers for a minute. So you can put your numbers in here for your months. So you don't have to write it down. That's awesome. So I'm really excited to get started on this. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I'm not paid by this company at all to do this, but I found that it has really helped me become organized, and it will just continue to have me become a little more organized. I just can't use electronic forms of organization in that way alone. I really get a lot of benefit out of writing it down and seeing it visually in front of me. So if you're that kind of person, you might really find that you enjoy these planners and things too. Some people make it more of a hobby, and that's awesome too. But if you're looking to get organized, the Happy Planner might be just for you. So that's my 2 cents, and I'm out. Thanks for watching.